Ads promising a $700 to $750 Walmart gift card are suddenly everywhere, and one of the names popping up most is ValueGifted.com. The pitch is simple. Click Start Now, enter your email, complete a few easy online tasks like app downloads, surveys, or free trials, and unlock a massive gift card. It's framed as a rewards or product testing program where companies supposedly pay you for your time. On paper, it sounds like easy money. Before going any further, quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any websites or offers shown. All opinions are based on publicly available information, so you can make informed decisions for yourself. Once you actually click the button, the experience changes. You're immediately redirected away from ValueGifted.com to a separate platform, commonly called Up-Level Rewards. From there, you're pushed into a loop. Answer questions, enter personal information, complete offers, then unlock the next requirement. What's advertised as 2 to 5 simple tasks quickly turns into an ongoing funnel of app installs, trial signups, and surveys. The more you complete, the more steps appear. This structure is a well-known affiliate rewards funnel designed to maximize data collection and signups, not to efficiently pay out users. Dig into the fine print and you'll also find a key detail. This promotion is not sponsored by Walmart. Walmart has no involvement, no partnership, and no responsibility for whether a gift card is ever delivered, despite their branding being used to build trust. That's where the real issue sits. ValueGifted.com raises serious red flags. It appears less like a rewards program and more like a time-consuming affiliate trap that delivers little to nothing in return. If you've encountered this site or similar gift card offers, share your experience in the comments. And if this breakdown helped you avoid wasting time or money, like the video, subscribe, and remember, if an offer sounds too good to be true, it usually is.